Today, we're going to learn a basic yet powerful technique that can add a touch of style to your images, adding a border. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up the image we want to work on. Head to the File menu in the top left corner, and select Open. Choose your desired image, and click Open again. There you go, your image is ready for magic. Next we need to increase the canvas size so we have room for the border. 1. Go to the Image menu at the top, then select Canvas Size. 2. In the dialog box that opens, you'll see your current canvas size in pixels. You want to increase this size by the width of your intended border, added to both the width and the height. So if you want a 50 pixel border, you need to add 100 pixels to both the width and the height. 3. You will also want your image to stay centered after the canvas size increases. To do this, make sure the offset dropdown is set to center and then set the X and Y values to the width of your border, so for our example 50. Now, we are going to add a new layer. Why a new layer, you might ask? Well, it allows us to work non-destructively, meaning we can always undo our actions without impacting the original image. Go to Layer in the top menu, select New Layer from the dropdown, and let's call it Border. Make sure the layer fill type is set to Transparency. The new layer should appear above your original image in the Layers panel on the right side. We will want to drag and drop that to below the image lay in our Layers panel so that we don't draw on top of the image. Now, we need to fill this expanded selection with a color to create the border. Head over to the Tools menu, select Paint Tools, and then click on Bucket Fill. Over here on the left, you can select the color for your border. Let's pick a striking red for this demonstration. Now, making sure we're on the border layer, let's click inside. Bam! You've just added a border to your image. Finally, go to Select and click None or press Shift plus Ctrl plus A to deselect. And there you have it. A simple, yet effective way to add a border to any image in GIMP. Remember, GIMP is a powerful, open source program that gives you the freedom to experiment and customize. Try adding borders of different colors, sizes, and even multiple borders. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more GIMP tutorials. Until next time, keep creating.